got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for massive bill. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Boy, make sure you tired your legs. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young Betty Wiz. He was a part of the gang. No, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now he getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas. Yeah, okay, my timing is critical. Then on my rhyming is pivotal. Homie, the dash is digital, gas residual. Foreign smoke like I'm leading a ritual. You bet my cash is on. I hit the gas, I'm gone, riding my wave. I've been stuck in my zone, I'm gonna blast them all. Sliding on faith, I've been finding my ways. Grinding for days, I've been shining the hate. All of y'all wanting for praise, stuck in a phase. Light it and turn it ablaze, yeah. Homie, you're going a race, nah. Better to stick to your place, yeah. Want it all, I got a taste. You push on the pedal, I'm on the stage, yeah. All I ever know, put me on this throne. Pinnacle, push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own. Push it and I zone. Sonic booms for the room, run it till the tune with my goons, motherfuckers. Y'all know what it do with the crew when we coming through. Y'all know better move, make it fast. Ain't no second chance coming for your ass. Turn the ass, burning rubber now. Better push the gas like. I do the dash, on my way